Hey there, friends. Today we're opening up the handheld dog repellent ultrasonic dog chaser by Xgood here. Let's open this up, shall we? Alright, this is an unboxing that's already been unboxed. So inside we have instructions. Okay. And this needs a 9-volt battery, which I already put one in there, so yes. Oops, what's the deal here? Get back on there. Okay, slide this back in there. So, alright. So what this has on it, it has a light. You could switch on the side. It has these buttons here. It says light, trainer, chase, and chaser. Light, train, chaser, and on. So if you switch it to light, it has a nice little LED on there. So it's kind of bright. So it works like a little flashlight. And then you could switch it to train, the middle mode there. And if I push the button, I don't know if you could hear that, but it makes like kind of a little high-pitched sound there. And if I switch to chaser, that's the one that's supposed to repel the dog. So I haven't tried it on a dog yet. I don't have a dog, but it is a highly annoying sound, if you can hear that. So it repels the family members quite nicely. So let's go see if we can't maybe find a willing participant here.